Today, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of instantly transferring money from GO2BANK to another bank. Let's dive in. GO2BANK may provide an external transfer service enabling you to send money instantly or within a short period to accounts at other banks. To begin, log into your GO2BANK account via their website or mobile app. Navigate to the Transfer or Send Money section. Follow the prompts to add the recipient's bank account information, including the account number and routing number, specify the transfer amount, and opt for an instant transfer if available. Confirm the transaction to complete the transfer. Some banks allow instant transfers using a linked debit card. To do this, link your GO2BANK account to your debit card. Then, log in to the recipient bank's website or app and select the option to transfer funds using a debit card. Enter your GO2BANK debit card details, specify the transfer amount and confirm the transaction. The funds should be transferred instantly or within a short period. Alternatively, you can utilize third-party payment services like PayPal, Venmo or Cash App for instant bank transfers. Link your GO2BANK account to the payment service if not already linked. Initiate a transfer from your GO2BANK account to the payment service. Once the funds are in the payment service account, transfer them to the recipient's bank account linked to the same payment service. The recipient should receive the funds instantly or within a short period, depending on the payment service used. If none of these methods offer instant transfers, contact GO2BANK's customer support for assistance. They may have additional options available or can guide you on the best way to transfer funds quickly. That's it. You've successfully learned how to transfer money from GO2BANK to another bank instantly.